Kuchirang, Mintelewa na de Mimblo. Kuchirang, Fodo, Ebebo Domnenye dedo. Ebusia for me, Mamunina Quaba, Ediba Kuchirang Jubedi so. Na, ene, ena Ishwari person what say and say, our no, son one peninsula baku say, ene, mene, Willie. Hey, said me a perfect within him pound. Willie, and I say, Auntie Ivy, Ajima. One so a actress, Papa, I'll show you love. Hey, sugar mommy back up. It was for me, Mama Carver. Yeah. Boko, dear. You see, I'm guess the day. She said, I've given up because I want to say, I'm so more back when I met it, and I'm sure they will say, Asana, my court dressing. Hey, too much. Mwaya fepa. Thank you. Yo, yenko ena answer na mekono. Asembi ba ende. Eye Dave mame, Ishwari. Ekache Dave se, eye ninuye ya, ye nyina ye nimse. Boy ne die, enko ye ba kokra, onye serious. Ono ane mame kwa to mi kase na, ne bani di onjinindi. Ono ane mame o, kase ne beide, usi de ko ye obi ejuma. Ende so di eka ne bebe fie. Now, ni mami to me bien and waka sache Ishwari say Dave ni abofranu enkoye ejuma. Dave so yo bia so osro ni mami o yina isi enim ne oye. So na asem na anya ne de but onto me nka Auntie Ivy. Me pese me busa se ye de ba yankasa ye ya sitine mu na woni wasew na tie na asew no hye wukunu so. Na wo pese wo kebi because Esaya won so ka ho ba wo de enam se o matage wo se wo ye yere inti no ebusun asem de don't say it no wo be hwa ma wo kunu na konsohwenim na achia ana wo be ye ne sen Auntie Ivy
asem we de edin pa awari ohun ewom say busun asem but complete institution. So, Bibia be koso wo ukunu abrabum affect you. Every aspect of ukunu affect you. Say amaware or maware. Enti na dwumem no ntimi ka say eyebusi asem. Say na ni gia wo dwumem a obefia reflect wo say no no ebe relate. And na ni nje nso a minti ase Dave mami minti na se papa boy obi yenya ye nim so ye by heart ena dey no koye wodwumem ho confusion enti na che se won pese mi de mi hu ne se mami no aware no na kumem pa de ompene so enti se ne obeya enijie emba between papa ne mami no Dave ne yire no ena oye or this started from unim say na kumafo any your friend is saying relations relatives it me say aware the almost the confusion bampo same parents obi anani abre ekuma mi mehu bi da mehu bi pain oh papa your friend is saying guy you okọ ejumi onko ya di papa bia onko ye adipa pebia onu ani mami mpo onu ani mami empo se onji nindi no aka kire wu Dave mami nso se me be mi nji nindi na ye den na woman me the whole thing em nwa because beginning na me so ebia wa pene so sa wa ye avide apaska nti me me who say e calculated pa say or the confusion because on him said by all means your friend is saying Dave you know or intelligent and na on share or na ninja on him by me say on pay because of if on him say guy in it and you know shouldn't be happy shouldn't be happy so on so I want to make internet say oh shan assembly nyina shan so ba me a anka make say the mimi kuna me say the make kire no make kire say papa we die boy we dey misrew ejuma no ntimi nka say engine no but making sure say unfa no into sensitive position bia obetimi egu ejuma no say driver kra no say utimi ehwe baby obe drive akọ okwa na wamba ntem kan affect edwuma no
driver pa mami
me see driver no pono enye baby na man driving koba man driving ko sensitive places uba man na drive akọ baby a uba suma no sumhunu bi o baby wamba mpo enfa ho
ayeka Willie
Chima me say edin kan mechia ahwefo ne atiefo asamre omohwe yen na me say before say me pass me comments no ade ba ko mechimi aka ne say aware ya ade bia edin kan bonsam ankasa na ompe enti se nyame wa dom na wo ba be ware na say wo say hunu that red flag that signal say bia was kuma na say mother in law bi mpnya aware ne so a right from that day, they don't take things for granted. You need to battle things in prayer. Marriage, I always say marriage is more spiritual than physical. So for marriage, say just an enjoyment, a physical thing. Trust me, there are some battles I will be facing here. You can't handle it. A baby come out also. On say so be an argument. Say I go such a coma and anything. It doesn't matter sending a baba or you person or ya de so mami any no mami no mpena asem enti de bia no mami no is trying to find any ways and means ebema gain and happiness enye complete she say obi aye nyina nim se nipa we onye responsible odi adwuma hye ne nsa obe abuse no na mami push na aba be hye adwuma mu ma handle situation bi pen say oba bi okọ na for some reason be ma no e mami mpene so na afi no enyoma call ya na o say maame ne pene so they have been married for years but yes still no maame is trying to find any ways and means so odi be ru aware no so obu so oba ne say ni problem ni say obe catch your plain say the problem ni mother in law on say edru me bia o say uhu ye tinyuma bia say so odi abofra be wi ase. It doesn't matter how close you are to that abofra no ye bema na so do na worry if na o warrior we maame a wona open asem say den ekura na fa unshira ta nechi ne jai no na on worry because Bible say oba be jane na ne na ja ho omobekwa from they will cleave together and the two shall be one so be obakwa warrior trust me he's starting a new family your family be be on omo family work ebi a ejuma na ewe abusuan mu no papa ne start ye nana ne start ye na aya baba ye family property ntino so wo ko ware pe na wo ba no ya mo ate ase say you can't bring your mouth into family work. What is the family work? The main family is the nuclear family. Say no we free extended family ma ko ware se be ma no na handle ejuma ne say no bia ne papa na ye ejuma no de aba be so ne nsa right now no ode ne yere aware. We should give them that space.
Yeah.
Oh, but ni nyina no de metimi aka che e ma no so ne say so wo refie bim na hu se ye mpewasem a ma mpa ebo no so because believe you me say nyame anya wadom a the rest of your life no you will battle certain things why you betimi kwa ma ubetimi atwa nkwa na so ana so be pie fra ware enum ye wo mothers in law bi ono mo aso mo yo man so be ha wadwene a nyame anka ho a but trust me tima Bible say for with God all things are possible. Bi ni ho anyame ntumi nye. So uji nyame di say obetumi akon ama wa. Do me bia won kasa bebre. They say they all say oba ne ye ne say also apply high wisdom. But when you go inside with your husband, that is where you talk to him. Yeah. Because in same you no so mo pega bakwa na you so obeka bia. Trust me, what time be doso. Eti kakra metumi aka ne say do maybe na wura ware bim na hu that signal ne say ye mpewasem na one way or the other na nyame intervention bi na ma ware na baso a it doesn't matter say na wani be giafa ma wani na ho papa because trust me sa bonsam na so infiti ase no or that so pel.
Okay, enuti no mi busa say adenti na Dave mame 1% Dave any sona wo mo be get intimate because ye be che sona sku ade ende ni kunu na ato ade de efiri ni acho Mrs Dexit mame ti Mrs Dexit o di speed ni ye ka chen so sona ski Dexit ene ye de gift man ye de gift man girl yi pe mami di nechi sheda ko dem o se onso won ko fa hwe no opesu wo hu adekodi a Dave e de ama ne yere no ene o te se o se anaju we de ye ba the ebesi there, you know, because of that. Mami Fred Dave, eka chene se kone kosi wanti. Na ye se otumu se be the following day journey. Send your obe papa obe se bibi besi de ende enye. Eno opamo Dave koye. Owie ya no okoka che Sonashki se omunye fasting. Fasting no sa okoda separate because ni se olukunu ye hwe for 9 good days. Sonashki so you obi a we respect na se unu ye ankasa. As opeso impress no. Auntie Ivy wow de me pese wo ye ye kan say fabra yankasa ya bra bom na ye honest to us say woni wa se oti na sometimes no o ka bibia wa wonim say ade de ko against me ni me kunu mpo a enam say wo fari ni nti no e wo say obu ani gusu na ogitu ana say wo say umia wani na okata wani na ka wa adwen na wo ye free
ade ne de as asem kesi o so koto aso a onye ready say obeja ni ba amana waria eya na ehu asem kan din kakra na me tebia ya me kan say ye were reasons natural reasons ebe ma oba empesa obeja ni ba oh and am brasa me kan me say wada ni yem for 9 months wanum ne nufu ano for years into no of that bond, that natural bond is there. Now, obia ba be free no bema be free no not that kind of jealousy but who knows ultimately these are feelings so if you are a Christian every religion love and a basic every religion me a Christian you a Christian and you say who go by the Bible. The Bible say, "Tell me, braka, for a man shall leave the father and mother and cleave to the wife." Sana Bible let's say, and omuye wedding some say, yeah, for better, for worse. And I mean to say, whatever he has put together,
let no man put asunder.
Say, "Sanya we nyina wa dream wa." Eye say utimi ejeja nyeme bim because who so akwari awa wo na awaware no obi ba ena obi jai ne ba ma ne ware wo ena wo so nyeme a odi aware odi awo no nti edu wo so time no ese wo so utimi je mu kakra wo kra de uti ayeye mu nyam ofie bako enye say omo ko out of the house I just say ebube ye lonely obi o ha oni ni ba na so close nti o process okwa babium but we de mu nyina mu ofie nti mami di oye say eye Ghana na enye natural cause na spiritual na beye kakraka ho min kan say uti si anu uti mu say pese enijie no na na ebi mu ka se honhoma ware o so utimi call against her to the extent say pese oba ni yiri po beda say the nature say jealousy na ko do ye fan say rivalry
na
why rival no enye sa mami for misremo yes remo
fire na sorry
yes remo
nani
awari ohun yes remo
ye ntwa ye humra na
अगले से दिन है मेरी बदली सी रातें
Kuchirang min telewa na de min blow Kuchirang fodo ebebo dom na nye dedel ebusiafo ye Simon Makwaba bio ere ba Kuchirang jumedie so wo market ye kone de odo ne ye too much Mrs. say you started in sorry ti ye beba baby a cause Kuchirang ne eyo wodo a ye se safo ne kutayen enti ne ye bebie opuno na maw na sumdwe ene bibia ayeden adadin pokuya 101 ye chia papa nyame sha ni nyoma pa woye ene mene Willie of William Mike fame ena afei so Auntie Ivy ejima woye actress papa mi so hwe yolo a sugar mommy no wonu an ende makoche na tena minim sende Dave de ne be kwa na Nansa na ebe ko break. And me say they be phone lines now. I can't wait. Nansa na ebe ko break no. Auntie Ivy now will ka bibi.
That means I say in-laws no. So mo hwe ye pa. Because Bible say he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from God. And no chere say nyame ni wo marriage mo pa. Nyame ni a very holy institution. Oh, and on one so I can say whatever I have put together, whatever God has, let no man put asunder. Man includes woman, obia, do not put asunder. Now, me say, your friend is saying, once I will worry, so send me bra kaino. Now, Bunsam, are you ready? Abunsam means yes, Abunsam, so on power, yeah.
Asemo.
So, Abunsam power, yeah, Nintino. What will be down, hono, as a obey you so. Eddie, I say, I worry. So, I say, on per se. Yebe awo and yes sir into mami na on person ni kunu ni ba ne ba ni yire no ebe ba together no say or ye abonsam edwuma ma no aware bia e wo ga na bia egu bia no say mami ni kan ho papa ni enenuafo kan ho aden kra and I say who you very unfortunate na kofa bema onye strong enough. Now, me mama say, me sisters say, me say, me ma warrior. Me ni me kunu TV hono. Say ye bekuo, say besio. Na depending on ni mama and ni nuanom.
Wow.
If they are happy, then we are happy. If they are sad and depressed, then depression about. Because yes, ni nua me sorry friend. We say, well, you need not go jina baby. I can say, yeah, you here for me. I just say innocent person.
Oh,
I mean, this is how crude some people can be.
Just to bring confusion.
Just to bring confusion because onu nye happy.
Hey,
na mama nyankopon so no mo benya punishment wo gahaye ansa wako heaven. Akoji second one wa. So I say, Mimi say me oba bema. Mini ni close. Me da kon obeda me nchen. Ma ye conscious for say, me ba ne ko waria. Eye me yampo a, me mia me ni na me ejem. So I say, ma before ma ye oba e ko wari dia. O person wari sikeni ni ye hwe no, na ye toka ma ni ba wo ba bema de, me mo hwe obi ba. Yeah, yes, sir. Now, who dear mammy, who ye? Now, one person will ban obey better. So, one person will go see aunt, and I obey a not just one person mobile walk. And yet, demonic.
Very.
It is devilish. Remember, a reason beyond me for biological reason, me for reason, me a Christian. And as the Bible says, we are not fighting against flesh and blood. We are fighting against powers, principalities, wicked in higher places. And you know, minimum fun is spiritual aspect.
Yeah.
If you believe in God, then you must believe in the devil. There is no way Obeka say, I believe in God. Obeka say devil in him because the Bible nankasa na say we are not fighting against flesh and blood. It is when believing and one, then you are not a true Christian. You don't believe in the Bible. It is who do whom man about some obey you sue.
Oh,
obey you sue. And you been a mammy no oil no. And on giant ne ban on giant. Although they come be odowo. The man is in love with the woman. And I mean, me can they be I say all things being equal, no, or no mammy, no one way you need to obey who first. The things being equal. While you who say me drop me back. Me need a close. Me wa obey dear reho. It's again a me said that me wa ne to. It is when you banner some pa. Now, himself or baby and pamper, you will be happy for him.
But wait there, as a fair ye call market ni say dance market for no and a train adwin see so say wo mu feel say sana first one na Dave mami gi aware ni tum no hu say e ade a Dave ndo girl no inti na ogi tum no Dave ko ware first one no na Dave akuma enim na emom girl no mom na do Dave enu nti na opini sa ware no so ba we dey we hu say ne ba no edo so na skipa ye inti no di obeke bia girl ne beye wo enu nti na no pese obepini aware no so
inti first no onim say ne ba ne do nti opini ama ya ware no mojojo nana opini na onu ne ba ye ne say be ne de
na ende kwekumenu ba ha eye actor kwekumenu ena mi busa ne se kwekumi kira wenwumre mi busa ne se so kwato se de yire ene ne maame e dansuo ma hwan no beyin kwekusi nko beyin ne yire ena mi si o se an se ne maame wo kunu nti ni onu so ni kunu embeyi lo o se o kan we ya onye bone because onu so ne yire no e wo ho ne yire ni hu sisi ebe ha because onu ne yire na ewo ne maame etumi awo na ama ne papa de ende ne papa no onu so kunu embe sebi no nti o se obia busa mi sa asem no ben kan che ne se onu kwekume no se onu obe sebi ne yire na emom ne papa mbe sebi onu so ne yire na enye pepepe obia ni obia ni asem Willie
it is well
Willie
ti mami say kakra me kan say be man kasa no so ye wadwene so wo pese wo ware ya e wo so wo ye din because also your din both physical and spiritual ade ba ko obeti mama be ma ye din ni se obefa nyamesem erade asem asua na afi obeye mpaebofo on say yeti aye kasa nyina na we are trying to talk to somebody at the end of the day ni nyina ye sua ade free say enyuma bi ebeti mi aboa ma ya ware ya chimi agina na relationship aye but to believe you me na say ware the main institute of marriage aye God ni no when you take God out of the marriage equation now and work it out successfully. And you know, if we are bear now, you have no person warrior. I was saying, Yamia some modi juma. A dear Yamia some moka, Yamia some which I said, do ye. Now we hearing soon your day, omre no was and from mount. So make you up mind so called warrior, Mr. So to my minimum fear. In the first place, Munya didn't so person warrior. Make it a point to be on your own. Because family are started from. Say entawanta will be fra who I am emwa. Mitimi ma mi fie, mitimi busu fie. It create a whole lot of say I give you a naturally no a day or time back. Because when you realize say you are being good to your wife, who treat your wife here, if you are winning baby or kwawari uncle, you be on my cross so when that's enjoyment. I feel need your banner to time crew. Pam no so only in na mushamu baby. I dear cause of you being
International say sa wari na ye wari na ye ma ye maame mo bet na ye nchen forever no. Enu no de
tima emwa
because then they ye the gift ni bread no obi enu anko obi enu
on say who allow mama betimi abesraw who papa betimi abesraw nyama betimi abesraw but there must be a limit also more bani feeling the queen in the house now at the end of the day no who say this house belongs to me and my husband now a bro be one so be allow a stand up for me obi kro no a ofura adwuma e ba na okura nkwan ada hene ma ba your bre me nkwan ma bre won nkwan wa wale no yiri ti fie o de nkwan be fie I mean what kind of man are you
you Willie medawase Auntie Ivy so medawase ebusia for maybe phone lines no numbers near 0302211698 and 0302211699 Fred not yen chichi enkomo happy birthday we are 60 years to Deaconess Margaret Owusu Ajimaya What Church of Pentecost Community 16 District Wayfree Albert Clote Temple and our family and our friends. One must say, Omodo Papa. Hello?
Oh, man.
Yes, darling.
And you made your why I call no. I am ya, mammy, Mama Vidash, or Caswarin in Potem. And you'll be a Mamintiano. I mean, Jimmy Coom, a Sia de Dia Sufu, I won't go to program in Yagro Cra. Mammy, on the Yase, a Nipanye, and before Nipano. Nipa esan si enyi e na be ifo omu nipa no he ma mi wa ya dia ma obei wakwa akware ebre enyi kakra bia obeji na wale su kokko sika no wa se da akwa da wo nse ko so obei ti hu adai hwɛ ɔn ade ama ame ne yɛ no wobɛka sɛ bi a ɛyɛ TV kɛkɛ na wohwɛ onye TV ɛkɔ so bebree ɛwɔ yɛ fiefie me de sɛ bia me ka hwɛ sɛ woyɛ bɛrima na wotie me na sɛ woware wode kiosk kora wo na oyere nkɔnkɔdam na wo wadwe sɛ wode oyere kɔ akɔtena abusuafoɔ fie a dako yɛ de nkyene paa bɛgu oyere nkuama ka kyerɛ oyere sɛ oyere ne mu nkwa yɛ na kyia me yere
yes ye chia wo chia gift ya wo kwa benya ye chia wo nwumbre wo nua be ma papa wo UK abochimi bo so wo chia wo ankasa hello Nigeria yes darling
the better contractor papa metima
yes
na so da to kuki mami cha Dr. Pare kudu kuki sisi na mcha msebua ona we bury abno do some stuff with you mama yankopon shira ne papa mo
amen
akasa papa na ne mama anti ekwe na se jutu udase nya mama me kan play fa ade na de se bi me be se nso no bi mo menim de ndi ama meti me omo kwa ware ne kuyi mo ma se bi impredias a omo de omo fa mo tototo ba so omo papa ma tinya kwa ware pe na kakra wo mo nsem a menim de ndi ana nso ma no bi di omo ni gya ware akisa because we be who tell ware so bi anfa bi ani on the me kan dim dem nhu se ye mu sibi kan wo ye be ma ana oba na no ko ware idi satakwa me dan kra na papa dem ne so a ebe ya muntu nko na mnyama so nwie we oba we tu so tete pa na maame no nko ye bibini anka me ka hye ne bayie no udim se bia kro dun ti na nantie ne da se
yes so yeah da say hello Jennifer
hello Auntie Tema
yes darling o ka suffering
Mpasem kasa fi bubo Jennifer kunkum bronya ni
hey kunkum bronya
bantem
my India partner yo kasa meet you
want to man ya me first me kan say Dave ma me ni oye no onye ni ye kra na brother really ka send true sometimes me kunu be fi ejuma ba no be ba no de eduane fi ejuma or the about me mama na the man it me saano mi hu sa me say okay and the mama na the man dey say bia no dey o me me Kelvin baby at what several times is my imagine so oba na unko eduane asa da no be kwa akodi eduane aba se me nye bone de
ya samu
enti no de mama on hye ye pa nye sa nya e be ye no ompe
abutre
okay
yeah that's papa Edio and some etisi papa hello and some ni the door so say or say ne mame na su de bia no onu aduane manikunu no de abefie nti da wan fe aduane number no so konekwaji waduane wo mame because say me nya de a udi me nti obusa se odi ya na
on say ama oba no why stress out what you say because na sedi as oba ware for ware mu no ware nso yaje afiri ne nsem enti asema wo ka say wan fa aduane ama akono yaw enye sa na ope ne ho but be ma na ma room ama nyoma bi because tie wo ye be ma na wo ware a you have to put your foot down as a man
obi abaline so my main picking hello sweetheart
yes
Vero
yes
now ka suffering
what you talk
oh nte fanti nyi bia no ne yanka fanti yo kasa miteo
Dave mami Molly and on your cry
oh
na era so to captain worship ma 1 year mo yi inti kama ekoye mate na ekoye
driver inyo
na Dave no mami Molly chono ya ati o sande
Madas
nimpano empana sam man kata do na yede penasam ewa na wole ni wie cha kwase da on sere ye na da chani na ya fine nta ma mo funa ya won so ko me na wolo no okay chi ewa o me na wolo
Vero matati mami fu nyina muntie yo na ebusuafo ye twa ye ho abaye ba ye betwa Kuchirang, min tell one not there. Min blow, Kuchirang. For do, everybody dom nenye de. Ebusia for me, Simon Makwaba bio. Ere ba Kuchirang, Jumedi, so now grow near deno. no say your pon enu nti mene Auntie Ivy ejima na fe Willie of William Mike fame mo final words ni efutombra na yen sorry so.
Oh, okay. The person me catch ye ma menum say mo ba mema no munya odo a munja omo wari na mu fa nto mo adwum say aware no enye fie afinyame enti de obeye bia obeji ho aketua eni de person hu say ukutia nyame enye oba na oba ni wari na ukwantia no hu say nyame na one na eku.
Okay, nyame sha Willie
timade me kan say aware bia mu no yema mpaebo nye kese afi ma me fa kwan we suntia me boss be Prince Osei to and wife Queen G. They are celebrating their wedding anniversary. Me tia me wife.
Okay, busiafo aha na de kuchiranju me de ni ACA. Makafui and I me camera, me directors and so Bobby Debbie and Steven. Yakramo. Adumbi dumi ochi.
मेरी बदली सी रातें